Drill?
Ain't no drill.
19 men attacked our country. The 12 of you will be the first ones to fight back.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good evening to our madam and to all who watching this video. Okay, today we will talk about the movie that is named 12 Strong. And our group members is, first is Muhammad Syarif Aiman bin Samsudin. The batch number is 2200744. Second is Adik Najmuddin bin Hazaha 2200762. And me, I'm from Bemwade 2200743 and I'm a man. Okay, and then I will post the synopsis to Syarif Aiman to present it.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all viewers. Today I would like to present about a synopsis of this movie, 12 Strong. Firstly, Mitch Nelson is a captain with Green Berets Operational Detachment Alpha ODA 595. Nelson's volunteers to lead 595 into Afghanistan on September 11, 2001. Nelson and 595 are picked to fight alongside Northern Alliance leader Abdurrahman Dostum. Secondly, ODA 595 is inserted covertly in Afghanistan aboard an MH-47 Chinook flown by 160th SOAR on 19 October 2001. They land 40 miles south of Mazar-i-Sharif, the country's fourth largest city and a long-time stronghold of the Taliban. Dostum is attempting to capture the northern Afghanistan city while battering Taliban leader Mullah Razan, who rules local communities brutally under strict Sharia law. Thirdly, Nelson plans to continue operating against the Taliban with his Americans and few Afghan fighters remaining with them. ODA 595 rejoined by Dealer and his element used air support to eliminate many of the fighters and most of the armor, but discovered and attacked. Spencer is critically injured by a suicide bomber, and the team is about to be overrun under heavy Taliban and Al-Qaeda pressure when Dostum returned with his force. The films end with a photo of a horse soldier statue at the World Trade Center based on the shoulders of ODA 595. This statue is dedicated to all the United States. That's all from me about the synopsis of 12 Strong movie. I will pass to my members. Thank you.
Next is the event or the problems, identification and the solution to abstract the movie is. As we can see, the tragic event of 9/11, the US determines that the Taliban in Afghanistan is the source of many of the attacks on US citizens and their assets. Their first step in confronting the Taliban is to send in special force teams to link up with the Northern Alliance teams to the enemies of the Taliban, help them in their fight against Taliban, including through coordinating air support and reduce the Taliban territory. The first team in country is Operational Detachment Alpha 595, led by Captain Mitch Nelson, iaitu the main character. The 12 of them face overwhelming odds. Then the start the story there. And then the second one is Dostum a tactical error. In one battle, however, Dostum makes a tactical error, costing several casualties. Nelson accused Dostum of acting carelessly with the life of his men and of withholding valuable information, while Dostum retorts that he still feels that Nelson and the US are not willing to pay the potential price of the conflict, and tell Nelson that he needs to use his heart and mind to be a warrior instead of a soldier. The two eventually reconcile that, and after splitting off three main elements under SFC Sam Buller to strike a Taliban supply road, and being joined by Spencer Huff of ODA 595, continue to work together. They win several victories with Dostum leadership and manpower and American air power, making significant progress toward Mazar-i-Sharif. Okay, and then the last one, the last event that I find is Spencer is critically injured by a suicide bomber. When Spencer is critically injured by a suicide bomber, the team is about to be overrun under heavy Taliban and Al-Qaeda pressure when Dostum returned with his forces. Carrying out the US Army first cavalry charge of the 21st century, the American and Northern Alliance forces dispersed the Taliban and Al-Qaeda, and Dostum tracked down and kills Razan. After Spencer is medicated, Nelson and Dostum continue to Mazar-i-Sharif, but find Atta Muhammad has beaten them there. Against expectation, Dostum and Muhammad meet peacefully and put aside the differences to the solution. That's all for me to present the event. Next, I will pass to Adik Najmuddin to present the leadership from the movie.
Okay, next.
Okay, the leadership strategies used in executing the mission. Firstly, the families of great leader pay a great price. This is because in this movie, he showed early in the movie, the film does a great job showing the price the family of America elite special force play. Because of their responsibilities and demand on their time, families often pay a high leadership price as well. Next, we have the leadership is brave. Knowing the were the first one into Afghanistan after 9/11, Nelson said, "We are the test flight." Okay, next. And thirdly, punctuality. When the team of Task Force Danger arrived in Afghanistan, they were given 6 months to complete their mission. Because of an incoming winter season, they were forced to complete it in 3 weeks. Last but not least, positive thinking. When facing what appeared to be an insurmountable Al-Qaeda army, one soldier remarked, outnumber 5,000 to 1, that a target rich environment. Okay, we continue with Amir Farhan.
That's one conclusion, and the lesson we can learn from the story. Telstra is the most useful in its ability to remind us of that moral clarity we have lost in the years since 9/11, the tragedies, which already feels like a day from another. Most serious and sober era. Nelson, watching the World Trade Center attack on TV, stand for all of the great Americans who altered the courses of their life to fight. And he and his team managed to fire some of the first shot of what became known as the War on Terror. If the movie is too free with the joke like banter among the special force through at times their level of gravitas seems dialed closer to rugby match than possibly deadly mission. The kind of night camaraderie these guys represent is absolutely essential to the military spirit. You may go to war for abstract reason, but you fight for your buddies, and they for you. Thank you. That's all. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.